Good afternoon, peoples. Right now we are in the basement of my new home, and this is like a secret workshop room. Out there is the basement, like the finished basement where the TVs and stuff are. But yeah, this is my workshop. So this is where I'm gonna be mucking with like little, these little electrical things that I mess with all the time. And there's my 3D printer sitting right there, which is being broken because that's what it does. It spends more time broken than it does printing. And then there's this little computer I got. So it was just a quick 360 of the small room, but this is mostly a talking video, so you guys are just be staring at the computer. As you guys know, I had some work done on my concrete floor outside in the garage, and oh, look at that. There's my cat. Anyway, I had some work done on the garage outside with the concrete floor. I had guys from Sure Dry Basements come out here and use their PolyLevel system to level the concrete. I did take some video of that process. It'll be roughly unedited, but it'll show you guys kind of how they do it, what it actually looks like when they're actually pulling that slab up. It's actually pretty cool. I did take some pictures of the concrete before they lifted it. I didn't take any after, besides the video you saw today, or I won't upload these at the same time, so today, of me actually after I went and epoxy patched the whole thing so it was all level anyway, but they did get those cracks perfectly level, and you'll see in the video how bad they were. Cat. You know, she's not supposed to be in here. Anyway, but yeah, this is the video, this is like the intro to that video. I am gonna, after this I'll throw up some pictures of how bad the concrete was beforehand, and then it'll be the video of the guys leveling it. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you guys later.
I took my watch on the way back with fucking long dog. You want to come back?
Did you drop it at the creek?
Yeah.
Is there any live signs or lots of signs of wildlife?
There's a bunch of prints. Like duck and bird prints and stuff. He'll call you back on that. So I put it down and swim around in circles.
Oh, so it's like my dog.
Yeah, and then it tried to go up the stream, but it wasn't going too up. Yeah, maybe spend more time worrying about the duck. Than it was to lift this. Yeah.
Can you throw me the J-knife, please?
I don't know if I want to drill out all the way or what's going on. I think you can drill through it.
I know, that's why I hate these short bits. Forget the baby, use the dog.
Girls love animals. Hey!
You want to bring me that digital level too?
What?
The digital level?
Digital?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta get it out.
It should be right around the corner.
No, it's not. I put it right where it belongs.
Oh. Okay, well it's back
That's what
there,
happens
right where
when
you
I'm
put it.
out for the day.
Is it actually starting to move?
Yeah. It's moving. That's why I want to get the digital level so we can see what sort of movement we're getting with it.
Right. It's just something about the movement of concrete that seems sort of unnatural. Yeah, shit, I can start to see, oh, there's some foam from it.
Yeah, so our foam, it starts in a liquid form
And it goes in there.
and then it starts to find all the crevices and areas and voids and then it just starts to fill.
That's already a shitload better than what it was. That's crazy.
I think it only took a couple seconds.
I know. Fixed, what, 20 years of damage?
Doesn't look like you need it.
Oop, I'm gonna step on that.
Yeah, watch yourself.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, just put it up a bunch of soil on. There's only like 1,000 left.
Yeah, it's really moved through a bunch of them. I just want to make sure we're not moving this.
Right. You bring that one up too? That's okay.
That shit looks just like the great stuff you find in the cans.
Yep. That's really what it is. I'm not attacking.
Not exactly.
We're also going to need to go, we're living here as well.
Okay.
And we definitely need to support this one really good.
Okay.
Because it moves.
Not a problem.
Oh yeah, I got hung up here. Top here.
That's crazy. Get out of your way.
Do you think this one will be enough for this side? Or do you want one here too?
Yes, please.
That's what I thought. That's what I would have done.
Is that just to make removing those easier?
So it stains.
Oh, okay.
Our material stains, so that just helps it to not stain.
Okay.
He did stop the gas station.
Hey, I told you. I know my boy or what. Are you going this way or that way? Which way you want to go? You gonna finish this up and then go over there?
Yeah, probably.
Alright.
We thought you found some ladies that like your baby doll.
I pet it.